Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Olympia espresso machine, and we did a bunch of work with this machine, and we also polished it. We used this Quick-Glo polish, which worked really well for getting it nice and shiny, and of course we didn't use the polish on anything that would touch food or touch the coffee. So we didn't polish the steam wand or the lower part of the group head where the coffee would touch. So let's go ahead and polish it. A one-handed shot here while I hold the iPad. Pre-infusion. So you get a nice shot of espresso with really good crema. Okay, now we're going to test the steam. Nice strong steam. We were getting weak steam, and so there's this really old pressure stat, and so I had to replace it with a new style pressure stat. The new style pressure stat should be more reliable. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.